certainly a different opportunity for me and a really great experience for me. This is a place where you're not doing those remedial tasks. You really challenge yourself, your education skills, your communication skills, and put on all together and working with the real engineer here. It's more like you are another engineer here. You've been treated here as same as everyone who was working here 5 to 10 years. You're not gonna be treated as a trainee here. You will be treated as another engineer here. You will do those qualification tests, battery testing of QZAC, and also those tests that are more extreme and they are more likely dangerous here. So you've been exposed to almost everything that they are doing in this discipline.
Here in Bosch Power System yang Berhad, trainees are being exposed to real world conditions. So here we treat them fairly as an engineer. We don't compromise them with easy tasks. They are really dealing with real world works. So we are preparing them for themselves to become a real engineer. So as soon as they graduate, they really know what they are going to face in the future.
They actually put me on a €1 billion project. They really put a lot of trust in me. They put trust on me as an individual and also group members for stream project qualification. So since I was starting my internship here, I was giving my first project qualification for P200 for Procore series battery pack. They asked me to do the drum test, the pull-off cell connector, the crush test, the impact test. All those tests is a really great experience for me. Sometimes I need to take off those tasks on my own, and sometimes I need to working with the engineers, but also pursue what I thought that is relevant for me. At Bosch, I feel like I was something bigger, and I was able to be an asset to the company. And there's a lot of opportunity for me to do almost everything here, and a great experience for me, for my students here. They are really great. They are supporting me. Bosch Penang is a really great company for me. The people here are great. The manager, the engineers here, the technicians here. It's kind of a diversity working space. They are Malays, they are Chinese, they are Indian here. So we need to talk to each other in order to complete the project. So communication is number one, and also the management, how you plan to do your test, how to make sure that the test is followed according to plan. It's awesome because I was suddenly kind of learn, but to see what goes on, what if something goes wrong, what I have to do, and yeah, really great experience here. This is my valuable memories here in Bosch.